Hi friends, welcome to the second session of Bachelor's Kitchen. Today we are going to make a simple recipe, that is Puri Bhaji. My mom used to make it and I used to love eating it. So let's get started with making Puri Bhaji. To make the puri, we have to get started with making the dough. I have taken 1 cup of wheat flour. So I'll be adding some salt to this because I like salt in my puri. I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of ghee. Just tossing it in here before adding water. So I have taken half cup of water here. We won't be needing the whole half cup of water. So I'll be adding it slowly till the dough becomes nice, good and fluffy. So we are done with the dough. We'll let it rest for 20 minutes. So as you can see, I'm still left with some water, so I didn't add all the water. First we need to make bhaji are cumin seeds, 4 chilies, 8 curry leaves. I've taken 4 tablespoons of ghee. I've roasted peanuts and grinded it. I've taken 2 potatoes which are pressure cooked till 1 whistle and salt to taste. When the pan is hot, you add ghee to it. Then you add cumin seed, roast it nicely, you will get a smell of cumin. Then you add curry leaves to it. Then go on with the chilies and mix it well. And add potatoes. Mix it nicely till the potatoes are cooked with the tadka. Add some salt according to your preference. Then you add grinded peanuts to this. I'm adding some water because I like my bhaji a bit mushy. Then you close it with a lid and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Here I am adding a tadka of chili, curry leaves to the bhaji. Add this tadka, mix it well, and your bhaji is ready. So after 20 minutes, we have our atta here. I'll take some oil and mix it well. I have applied oil to this thing. I will make small balls out of it. And then we have to make a roti out of this. So I prefer using a round container to make the puris round because I don't want to draw any world maps. I remove the excess and use it again to mix. There you go, you have your perfectly round puri. To check if the oil is hot, put a piece of atta into it. It should rise like this. In goes the puri. You should fry it nicely on both the sides. You don't want to over fry it. If you over fry it, it becomes hard. So fry it to the nice crisps. Now your puri bhaji is ready. Try it yourself and share it with your friends. Oh, sorry guys. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. See you then.